Do you collect your fans' data?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't collect my fans' data. I collect their names. Anyone that I see on there, I check their likes and I click it and see who it is, and I just try to I try to connect to them again. So if I see them there, I'll just go and tag them if I can. That's
Okay,
it.
definitely start collecting their data, their names, emails, phone numbers. That way, every time you come out with a project, you're not, trying to reach out to different people. You can retarget the same people over and over again. Once you start collecting that, and new fans, of course, helps you do that.
Okay, I'll definitely put that on there.
I was gonna
The-
say that definitely get into
Got
the app. I feel like it'll benefit you, especially with your particular set of skills. Um,
I would
everybody,
like to try that, but I just think that I don't want to sell my music though. That's why I didn't put my music down there. I don't know if you guys are sellers or give it out free.
you
So
can give it out for free, or like there's an option where you can basically put it up for donations, and if they don't give no money, they can download it for free, or they can give you $1 or pay you
whatever,
$100. You know what I'm saying? So
whatever's good.
yeah,
I,
but I mean, but my thing is you need it out there.
oh yeah, I
Uh,
will.
yeah,
whether
you can set the price for $0 and then set it as pay what you want. So if they want to give you something, they can give you something. If they want to just get it for free, they get it for free. But at least you have that option up there.
Okay, I appreciate that. Then I will do that
but you
today.
get the data in return though.
Oh,
So
all right.
that's the
There.
thing. So
Oh,
so when they download it, you'll get their email and their name.
oh
So
man.
yeah, and then you can go in turn once you get enough, like maybe you get like 20, 35, something like that, people to download it, you can release something again and then forward that release to their emails directly to their emails.
I'll
Uh,
definitely do that.
yeah. Hey, ain't nothing, and that's what we here for. New fans, we try to help everybody.
glad
Uh,
I glad I got you guys because when I saw it, I was like, oh no. Then I saw it was legit. I was like, yes, finally found somebody who's who's
you
real.
heard it first from Julian Wilson. It's legit, y'all. He said it's legit. Like, okay.